Welcome to Mr. Hamsters and Stars' first ever beach day.
Hi friends, Mr. Hamster, here, at your service. I'm hoping to really delight you today. I'm having my very first beach day. It's super exciting, very hamsterific. I got my Barbie beach chair and I'm ready to party. I just love everything already. These floaties are a little weird because I've never seen anything like these before, but they sure look like a lot of fun. Although, I am just a little nervous about getting in the unicorn, but if I need any help, I know Mama is standing by. Beach ball! I love my Barbie beach chair. I'm totally a Barbie boy hammy.
Hello friends, Star here. It's our first ever beach day.
So we apologize for suddenly deciding to combine our summer adventures this week, but we didn't think we should do our first beach day adventures separately. We hope you understand, and don't worry, next week, I assure you everything will be back to the usual. I want to show this beach ball who's boss. Our angel hammy friend Mistletoe told us all about her encounters with this very beach ball last summer.
Well, I'm just having the best time here. I think our floaties are really hamsterific, but I am so excited and full of so much energy right now. I'm not sure I can stop long enough to get in any of them just yet. I love the beach so much. It's like having one gigantic sandbath.
My brother Star and I are having a hamsterific good time. Thanks to Carefresh and their hamsterific bedding, Mama has been able to make every season festive for us. Also, thanks to Carib Sea and their sand, Mama has been able to keep us happy, healthy, and safe with our everyday sand baths, as well as our very own beach here.
Yeah, we sure love Carefresh and their hamsterific bedding. Some people think hamsters don't need festive bedding or anything festive for that matter, but those people would be wrong. See, we may not necessarily need festive things to be healthy or even happy for that matter, however. Festivities do often create positive energy, and positive energy is a powerful thing, which leads to more happiness. Let me tell you, I am one super happy and healthy hammy because I have a mama who strives to keep us all safe and who gives all of us such awesome festivities. This summer has been my first ever summer, and this is my first ever beach day. And I must say, it's been one very special season so far.
This beach is definitely my kind of scene. I love it. I hope Barbie stops by next time though, because there's only one thing missing from our beach day, and that's Barbie. Otherwise, this adventure is 100% perfect.
I think my brother Mr. Hamster is right. Having Barbie here would make this summer adventure extra hamsterific. Otherwise, this summer adventure is absolutely perfect.
I am always excited to go on a new adventure, and I never think the next adventure could possibly be better than the last, because each new adventure is just so awesome. But somehow each new adventure is somehow better than the last. And with each new adventure, I get more and more excited as I get to explore and play in a whole new scene. I love adventuring and getting to enjoy some really radical places. Haha! I knew if I concentrated a little more, I'd get myself in here. I love flamingos.
I had to ask for Mama's hand to help me get in my hamsterific unicorn float. I could have done so by myself, but this was easier, and I didn't want to waste time trying to figure out the best way to climb it. Besides, sometimes you need to accept a helping hand and a paw. I sure love bubbles. How about you? Foraging on the beach. Oh yeah. I'm living my best little hammy life. We got tropical treats for our beach snacks today. Our tropical treats are so yummy. Our beach ball is so huge. Can you believe it? Ha 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 ha! I beat you, beach ball. I win. You might be much bigger than me, but I can move mountains because I am hamster strong. I got hamster power. Total score. Yummy piece of banana. One of the best tropical treats. Dried fruit is so yummy. These pieces of banana are almost as yummy as the coconut pieces that are in our tropical treats mix. Such special summer treats for us hammies.
Mama was helping me get in my floaties, but I took a second to slow down a little, and Washington Law, I'm in.
I must look my very best at all times. Our Barbie beach chair is so rad. It's so much fun checking everything out. I am definitely going to be looking forward to having many more beach adventures. I also can't wait to adventure more in Bikini Bottom. I realize that chairs are not meant to be used how I've been using our Barbie beach chair, so don't try it at home, but I like to have fun, so I like to do silly things.
So far I got some nice little piles of our special tropical treats. Super yummy, totally hamsterific treats. Sunseed makes such great yum-yums. I think coconut might just be my favorite summer treat. I'll get in here one way or another. Aha! See? Told you. One way or another. I feel like SpongeBob because I, too, have a helping hand. I have no idea where all these bubbles are always coming from. Tell me, do you enjoy bubbles? Are you like SpongeBob and Patrick and can't get enough bubble time? Or are you like Squidward and very much dislike and or hate bubbles? Leave me some comments to share your thoughts with us today. Palm trees are really pretty. Wouldn't you agree? Oh yeah, I love the sand. It's so much fun. Geez, I guess we're going to have to get back to our houses already. But we look forward to adventuring separately with you next weekend. Enjoy your summer.
Thank you for joining Mr. Hamster and Star for their first ever beach adventure. See more next weekend. Have a hamsterific summer week. Enjoy!